Welcome to our channel. If you want to watch multiple games simultaneously using FuboTV's Multiview feature on Apple TV, follow these instructions to set up split-screen viewing. Step 1. Ensure you have a FuboTV subscription and an Apple TV device that supports the Multiview feature. Check that your app is updated to the latest version. Step 2. Open the FuboTV app on your Apple TV and log in with your account credentials. Step 3. Navigate to the Sports section or look for the Multiview option in the main menu during times when multiple games are airing. Step 4. Select the Multiview feature to see available games that can be watched simultaneously. FuboTV typically allows up to 4 screens at once. Step 5. Choose the games you want to watch by selecting them from the available options. They will appear in a grid layout on your screen. Step 6. Use your Apple TV remote to navigate between different screens and select which game you want to have audio playing. Step 7. Adjust the layout if options are available, such as changing which game appears in which quadrant of the screen. Step 8. Exit Multiview mode by selecting a single game to watch full screen, or press the back button to return to the regular menu. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.